In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not vibrating. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your iPhone stopped vibrating, it's rarely a broken motor and always a deep software setting that was toggled off during an update. So there's a secret global vibration toggle in the accessibility menu that overrides every other setting in your phone. So if that's off, your phone's never going to vibrate, even for emergency alerts. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings, scroll down until you find accessibility, and then within accessibility, go over to touch. Now, once you're in touch, you want to scroll down to vibration and ensure that it's toggled on. Where it says vibration, it says when this switch is off, all vibration on your iPhone will be disabled, including those for earthquake, tsunami, and other emergency alerts as well. So this is like the big setting if you ever want to, turn that on. And you just want to make sure that's turned on, otherwise it's never going to work. Next, while you're in settings, go over and find sounds and haptics. Once you're in sounds and haptics, go ahead and tap on haptics, which is going to be in the middle, and you want to switch that to always play, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.